You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this, I know, confusing word from Latin originally, and that's why it's confusing. It means mother. It's kind of informal or archaic, dated. Mother. Mater, that's your British English pronunciation. Mater, it's like mate, but with an R, mater. In American English, the US pronunciation is as mater, with a flap T that sounds like a D, and the R is more pronounced. Mater, American English pronunciation, or mater, British English, how to pronounce mater. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.